Hey everyone, welcome to TechBase. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete account on Evernote. So let's get started. First, open your Evernote application. Now tap on the hamburger menu at the bottom left corner of your screen. Select the gear icon. At the bottom of your screen, you'll be able to find more settings option. Tap on it. Now tap on the hamburger menu at the top right corner of your screen. Tap on Account Status option, which is under Security. To delete account on Evernote, select Close your Evernote account option. Go through the information first and check on Yes, Close my account option. Once you're done, tap on the Continue at the bottom of your screen. Again, go through the information and check on I have reviewed the information above. I am ready to close my account option. Then tap on Continue button. You can give feedback if you like to. Then enter your password to verify. And then check on I am not a robot option. And this is how you can delete account on Evernote. Thanks for watching TechBase. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment with any questions or feedback. If you're new, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on our future videos.